The Philippines is about to get a whole lot more convenient with Google Wallet. But wait, not all merchants are on board yet. Here's the deal. Google Wallet has officially launched in the Philippines, revolutionizing how Filipinos manage their digital wallets. With this rollout, users can store various essentials on their Android devices, from payment cards to boarding passes. But here's where it gets exciting. The list of participating merchants is already impressive, and it's just the beginning. Initially, Google Wallet supports credit and debit cards from major players like Visa and MasterCard, issued by banks such as China Bank, East West Bank, and RCBC Bank. But that's not all, it also includes digital wallets like GoTime, Maya, and GCash. And this is the part most people miss: the app goes beyond payments. Google Wallet lets you store boarding passes for airlines like Philippines Airlines, AirAsia, and Singapore Airlines, making travel a breeze. You can also book flights on Trip.com, purchase event tickets from Ticket2Me, and even earn loyalty points at IKEA. But the convenience doesn't stop there. It covers vouchers for Mang Inasal and transit payments for MRT, 3 in Manila and modern jeepneys in Cebu. Soon, you'll be able to use Google Wallet for bus tickets on EasyBook and the Beep app. And the list goes on, with more merchants like Shopee, Sephora, and Paymungo joining the party. But hold on, there's a catch. This is just the initial lineup, and some major banks like BPI have hinted at joining the Google Wallet family soon. So, the future of digital payments in the Philippines is looking bright, but will it live up to their hype? What do you think? Are you excited about Google Wallet's potential in the Philippines? Or do you think it might face challenges in a market with various digital payment options? Share your thoughts in the comments below.